Tilesporcelain Limited, back in the northeast. Great, glorious day. Just wanted to show you, we have been advertising a lot of our 1200, 600 size tiles. Now these have been cut slightly to fit in this space, but this is the type of look that you're going to get with a 1200, 600 tile on your wall. This is our Martian Grey tile, which is our product code TPP52, and this is the Coyote Nero tile, which is our TPP47. We have also got this TPP40, which is classed as the Cayman Blue, and on the other side we've got one of the onyxes, which is our TPP42 tile. But this just gives you an idea of the look of a 1200, 600 tile. What you've got to think as well, before we go on, this is our Astra's Blue down here. So again, this is absolutely so different, but so nice. And this is going to give you the look. What you tend to get, a bigger tile in a bigger area gives you a more spacious look. A bigger tile in a smaller area also gives you a spacious look. All our tiles that we're advertising today are all in stock. And you can visit us at www.tilesporcelain.co.uk, 0191 429 0279, and our fabulous sales team will be happy to help you. Have a good day, guys.